Step 1. Measure your openings in your house. If the house is built from block, you allow 100 mm overlap. If the house is built from timber, the anchors should be attached in the window frames or in the next stud up. This usually runs 450 mm away from the window. Step 2. Mark all the holes 300 mm apart on both sides and top and bottom. The 3 holes closest to each other in every corner should only be 200 mm apart. Make sure all the holes line up, level at the top and bottom, and plumb on the sides. Remember that 95% of the time the holes is all you see. It's important to spend some time lining up the holes properly. If you have multiple openings, a pre-measured jig may speed up the process and improve consistency. Step 3. Drill 12 mm holes on the marked spots. Pre-drilling every hole with an 8 mm drill bit makes it easier to line up the holes nicely. Anchors in the corner should be 200 mm apart. Step 4. Before you install the anchors, make sure all the holes are clean. This should be done with water. You can use a garden hose or a spray pack filled with water. When the holes are nice and clean, you can install the anchors. Install the anchors slowly to avoid widening the hole and spinning of the anchors. No matter how careful you are, sometimes an anchor will keep spinning. Take the anchor out and reinstall it after you coat this with a 2-part concrete epoxy. Any brand will do. We recommend coating all of the anchors before installing and not just the ones that end up spinning. Step 5. Every clip is made from a front and a back section which are screwed together with 8 small screws. Install the clips on the anchors only using the large stainless steel bolt. Slide the fabric in the left top corner clip simply by opening this. Make sure the fabric sits past the hole that's closest to the stainless steel bolt. Install 2 small screws in the clip. Now repeat this for the top right corner. Step 6. Attach the rest of the clips on the fabric using only 2 screws. Remember, it's important that the holes in the wall are in line. It doesn't matter if the clips don't line up perfectly, as long as they do the job, which is holding the fabric in place. Pull the fabric taut before you put the screws in the clips, but don't over-tighten. Step 7. Install the remaining 6 screws in every clip and mark the fabric so you know for which window it is. We recommend marking on the inside of the top right corner. After you've marked every sheet, you can remove the fabric simply by taking out the large stainless steel bolt from the anchor.